Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the limited access of Discord in your mobile phone or on laptop. So what you can do is just open up your browser on your phone or laptop and go to Google and search here Discord support. You can search this down like Discord support, or you can just directly open the website like support.discord.com, and this is the website support.discord.com. So it will take a few seconds. Open the website, and once you're in this section called help center, so you will see a search bar or a search section. Just click here and search here limited, and once you write this down limited, you will be seeing, as you can see, limited access FAQ. So just go to this article, and once you go to this article, it will take a few seconds, so let it load. So there are like a few answers and questions given by them. How do I know if I have been placed in a limited access? As you can see, while you are in a limited access, you will not be able to dismiss this notice. Like you will be seeing this notice in your mobile phone or on your PC as well, as this is the an image of your account has been limited access. And in limited access, you can just message your existing friends, but you can't send outgoing friend request direct message to any new friends while you were in limited access and join new servers. So this is the like pros and cons of the limited access or access on Discord. And if you scroll down, like here is the your account has a limited access. This is a notice that you will be seeing, and you will be how you will appear to the others. And getting out of limited access, as you can see, like they have given this option as well. So as you can see, like first clicking on regain access here button at the top of the client, as you can see, here is the did we make a mistake regain access. Here you can just directly click on here, or you can just click on the regain access link, and after that you can from here just submit a ticket as well. So just verify this, and once you verify this, you can just go to this section like submit a ticket, and from here you can just enter the email address, and after that your name, subject, like write down the subject like your account limited access, and write down a short description like you did not do anything wrong and your account has been put to limited access for some reason and you're not able to check like why this happened. And you can just request them to reopen or like just remove this issue from your account, or you can also add any kind of screenshots and just click on submit. And once you click on submit, Discord team will contact you within like 24 to 48 hours, and after that they will submit, like they will solve your problem. So that is all about how you can fix limited access issue in Discord.